I am about to start a new company. Mazel tov. How do I write a company check to the attorney to do the formation work and other work if there is no company? How do I sign the engagement letter if there isn't a company yet that I represent? And boy, if we have any business formation attorneys here on the live call, feel free to join in with any insights or opinions that you may have. And of course, you may give your disclaimers first about how you haven't heard all the facts of the case. And you may or may not be licensed in the state in which the person who is asking the question does business. And if you're a business formation attorney watching the show after the fact, you're free to post all those disclaimers too. Although if you go for the disclaimers, you also have to share a good answer with us. So my answer to you as an accountant is all you need to open a company bank account is a tax ID number. Don't use your social security number. But you can go online to irs.gov and file what's called an SS4. I'm sure that stands for something. No, you know what? I'm not sure. I think they might have picked the letters completely randomly. SS4, what that means is you're requesting a tax ID number. You can get it online. You can get it for free, and you can get it in 5 minutes. Don't do any of your state registrations yet. Don't do any of your heavy-duty registrations, and those are things that your attorney can help you with. But you can get a tax ID, you can open up a business bank account and contribute some personal capital to that account. What your intrepid bookkeeper will do then is record the deposit against your owner equity in the business or your capital stock if you eventually purchase stock in your business if it's a corporation, or a member investment or a partner investment, whatever makes sense for what will ultimately be the legal form of your business. But don't worry, it's not going to count in your business as income because it's not income for your business. It's just money in the bank. The two are not the same. So that would be my advice, and then write a check to the attorney from your company bank account. If for some reason you don't want to do this, then pay your attorney out of your personal account. Just retain some proof that you did that, because that record of this is still a capital contribution to your new business. So your bookkeeper is not going to see anything in your business bank account if there is no business bank account, but that entry still needs to be booked, which, okay, I'm gonna go nerdy on you right now. Debit, startup costs and credit equity. So long story short, the entry still needs to happen on your books. It's just that you're contributing the capital for it personally. So definitely don't let that stand in your way. Now there's another aspect to this question. How do I sign the engagement letter if there isn't a company yet that I represent? Now that's a horse of another color, and really I want to share with you some insights that I got while I was collaborating with Brad Marcus, who's from Atwell Companies, which is a collections agency and a co-sourcing agency. And they're incredible. If you ever need a collections company, you can let me know and I'll give you their contact information. I love the fact that they not only do collections, but co-sourcing. And so I was collaborating with Brad Marcus on this article about best practices in collections. And one of the things that I learned from Brad during the article preparation is that who signs the engagement letter makes a difference. And the terms in that engagement letter make a difference. If something were to happen, if you were to be unable to pay, can the vendor go after you personally? So the key here is personal guarantee. If you sign it personally and there's a statement in there that indicates that you personally are responsible, you're giving a personal guarantee. So if there isn't yet a company for you that can sign the engagement letter, make sure the scope of the engagement letter is limited to the formation of the company. This advice protects you personally. And then for any other work that you might do with the attorney, see if you can have the engagement letter be only between the attorney or the law firm and your company. So if anything should happen, it's your company that's liable to pay and not you personally. So if you can have that be in two separate engagement letters, that may be to your advantage. I hope it should never come to pass. What I'm saying is, if you do it that way, it may be to your advantage.